For many Hauppauge homeowners, a peaceful and quiet living environment is more than a luxury, it's essential for comfort, relaxation, and overall well-being. Whether you live near busy roads, commercial areas, or simply want a more serene indoor atmosphere, unwanted noise can easily disrupt your daily routine. Fortunately, modern window installation offers one of the most effective ways to dramatically reduce outside noise and create a more comfortable home. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's how today's advanced window technologies can help turn your Hauppauge home into a quieter space. Double and triple pane glass. Built for noise reduction, older windows often have single pane glass, which provides very little sound insulation. Modern windows, on the other hand, use double or triple pane glass systems that create layers of protection against sound waves. Each pane helps block and absorb exterior noise, while the space between the panes acts as a sound barrier. This layered structure significantly reduces the transmission of traffic noise, barking dogs, construction sounds, loud neighbors, airplane noise. For Hauppauge families living near main roads like Route 111 or close to busier parts of town, these upgraded glass systems provide a noticeable improvement in indoor peace and quiet. Insulated frames that block sound leakage. The material and construction of your window frames also play a major role in how much noise enters your home. Modern window installation typically includes insulated vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, all designed to minimize sound transfer. These advanced materials absorb sound vibrations better than old aluminum frames, help seal gaps where noise often sneaks in, prevent rattling caused by wind or pressure changes. With modern framing technology, you're not just upgrading appearance, you're creating a stronger acoustic barrier around your living space. Specialized soundproofing technologies. Many modern windows come with optional sound control enhancements, perfect for households that want maximum noise reduction. These may include laminated glass, which has a noise-dampening layer between panes, acoustic window inserts for high-traffic or commercial areas, thicker glass packages designed specifically for urban environments. These upgrades are ideal for Hauppauge homes located near train lines, bustling intersections, or neighborhood hubs where noise can be a constant issue. Proper installation seals out air and noise. Even the best windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that your new windows are completely sealed, preventing sound leaks caused by gaps, cracks, or improper measurements. A precise, airtight installation provides better acoustic insulation, improved energy efficiency, consistent temperature control, fewer drafts and vibrations. Hauppauge homeowners gain not only a quieter home but also lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Noise control means better sleep, focus, and comfort. Reducing noise isn't just about convenience, it can have real benefits for your lifestyle. Better sleep quality, improved focus for work from home professionals, reduced stress from constant outdoor noise, a more peaceful environment for children and pets, enhanced enjoyment of your home. For families looking to increase comfort without major renovations, upgrading windows is one of the most effective improvements they can make. Final thoughts. Modern window installation is a powerful solution for Hauppauge homeowners seeking quieter, more relaxing living spaces. With multi-pane glass, insulated frames, sound-dampening technologies, and professional installation, today's windows dramatically reduce unwanted noise while also improving energy efficiency and boosting home value. If you're ready to reclaim peace and quiet in your Hauppauge home, modern replacement windows offer a smart, long-lasting investment in comfort and quality of life.